Imagine something flying so high, you'd never even know it's there. No noise, no warning, just silently watching everything below, hour after hour. That's not science fiction. That's the RQ-4 Global Hawk. At first glance, the Global Hawk doesn't look like a fighter jet. No weapons hanging under the wings, no aggressive design. But that's because it's built for something completely different. It's not there to fight. It's there to observe, collect, and understand what's happening across massive areas. What really makes the RQ-4 stand out is its altitude. It can fly at around 60,000 feet, far above commercial aircraft. Up there, it's out of reach for most threats, and almost invisible to the human eye. And the craziest part, it can stay up there for more than 24 hours. Now think about this for a second. What if you could watch an entire region, not for minutes, but for a full day? Not just seeing what's happening, but tracking changes over time. That's where the Global Hawk becomes something more than just a drone. The Global Hawk is packed with advanced sensors and radar systems. It can capture high-resolution imagery, scan large areas, and even detect movement on the ground. And all of that data is sent in real time. So decisions aren't delayed, they're made instantly. Another thing that makes it special is endurance. This isn't a drone that flies for an hour and comes back. It's designed to stay in the air for long missions, watching, tracking, and updating information continuously. That kind of persistence changes how surveillance works. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. It can monitor borders, track movements, and provide a full picture of what's happening in a region. And because it operates from such high altitude, it can cover huge areas in a single mission. That's something very few aircraft can do. So why does all of this matter? Because in modern operations, information is everything. Knowing what's happening, where it's happening, and how it's changing, that's what gives the real advantage. So, what do you think? Is the Global Hawk one of the most important aircraft in modern surveillance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for more.